Welcome back, YouTubers. It's your boy Cap coming at you with a new video, and today we are rebuilding the Blake Griffin Phoenix Suns. As some of you may know, and I'm assuming you do since you're watching this video, Blake Griffin recently had a meeting with the Suns, so we're just seeing how it would play out. So right away we're just gonna start moving some pieces that we don't need anymore, and by doing that, we're gonna start to build the super team. Like Tyson Chandler, isn't time for him to head elsewhere, and we also should clear up some cap space. Like, look at this, look at that move, incredible move for us right there. Cut a ton of cap. If we look at player contracts, we don't have much cap room with Bledsoe and Brandon Knight, so now we need to continue to look for ways to get rid of these players. And Marquise Chris might be on the block. I have not decided yet, because I kind of like that trade, because I think that's the move right there. Malik Beasley, Jameer Nelson for Dudley and Brandon Knight. Alright, I think that's what we're gonna do. Good grief, they are giving me a deal. Oh, Pat Bev. Now let's go with this. Patrick Beverly, welcome to Phoenix. Alright, so now we got that done. Let's see what we can get for Bledsoe. If we can get something good, cheaper, and younger, I think we do it. As we do need a center and a point guard. Which I guess we do have a point guard, but I'm just not sold on Bledsoe being a star point guard. Ooh, that's tempting. Looking. Ooh. He's not as good though. Alright, so it doesn't look like he's going to be on the move. But we really don't have a it's kind of a joke how we don't have a center right now. Here, let's look at what's available on free agency. Wait. My roster is full. Oh, okay. We do need to get rid of some pieces, or extra pieces. Maybe we can get some picks for him. Alec Peters and Jared Dudley. There we go. There's our center, Ivaka Zubac. Alright, so now we have 3 point guards, 3 centers. Alright, that looks good. Oh, we need 3 million cap space. Oh my gosh. You guys are probably getting really sick of listening to this. Can we move TJ Warren for no room, or for really nothing, and get Dania Gallinari? If we can, we'll slide everyone down in our rotation from go Bledsoe at the 1, Booker at the 2, Jackson at 3, Gallinari at the 4, and Griffin at the 5. I just want Gallinari for a 1-year deal too. We'll deal with like any more of him later. Alright, there we go. There we go. We got him under the cap. Alright, so Daniel Gallinari, welcome to the roster. Now that you guys have seen it, we will. Here's the roster. Alright, yeah. Wait, how tall is he? 6'10", 6'8". Alright, so now you see the roster. I'll catch you guys at the end of the year one. Alright, so here we are at the end of year one. Westbrook is your MVP. Ball is your rookie of the year. Jeremy Lin is sixth man. Andre Drummond is your defensive player. Jokic is most improved. And D'Antoni is coach of the year. Here are your All-NBA teams. Lonzo Ball is All-NBA first team. Huh. Interesting. Here are your All-NBA second teams. Or all defensive second teams. Oh, excuse me, all defensive first team. And all NBA. Wow. Wow. It's impressive. Josh Jackson, there you go, all rookie first team. Simulate through the first year of playoffs, because we did not make it, but you know, don't worry, the super team is coming. Cavs win. No biggie. Make sure none of our guys are tired. I don't think anybody would have. Nope. Alright, staff retirement. Nope. Jersey retirement. Here we can jump right to league meetings. We good. Draft lottery. The Nets got the second pick with our pick. Huh. So that's cool. We got D'Angelo Russell, by the way. That's how the Nets got our pick. Time to get a new coach. I think that pretty easy to find a new coach as well, I mean, we are very close to being a super team. We don't even have a draft pick, I don't think. If we do it the second rounder, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, nope. Not anything we need. Team player options. Obviously, we're bringing everyone back. Daniel Gallinari declined our option. Paul George is a free agent, so qualifying offers, not sending it. Alright, so we don't have a whole lot of like cap room. Oh man. Oh man. Ooh. We could get Kevin Durant. I don't know if we could get Paul George, but we could get Kevin Durant. Okay, so here's what we needed. We need to make some cap room. Oh, Patrick Beverly may be the first one to get the hook. As, yeah, he is unnecessary at $5 million. You don't pay a backup point guard $5 million. Come on, there we go. 2 first rounders. I don't need anything else. Ooh, Nets are sending me a first rounder. Alright, make that deal. Alright, so there we go. How much room we got? 35.54. We need Kevin Durant. We're going to be able to get him. Oh my gosh. We're going to get Kevin Durant right here. We do need to get a backup point guard now, though. Ty Lawson's a good backup point guard. Alright, let's see if we get Kevin Durant. Let's go. Here we go. We ready. And we just need backups pretty much everywhere, I think. Let's look at the roster. Yeah, we don't need a backup point guard. We need a backup shooting guard. We good at small forward. We good at power forward. And we good at center. Maybe we get a backup. Some more like vet minimums, you know what I mean? Jaffield, I know you guys get it. Alright. Vet minimums, Nene. Taj, no, he doesn't. He's not ready for that yet, apparently. Silva is, I know. TJ Warren, man, you crazy. Bro, you not garbage, but you're just not worth that. Oh, he won't come to the mid-level exception. He won't either. They're missing out. Tony Allen. So you get Ty Lawson's one. And then Derrick Jones. Alright. So all we're doing is sign vet minimum, guys. I'll catch you guys at the end of next season. Here at the end of year number 2, LeBron is your MVP. Luka Doncic is your rookie of the year. Jeremy Lin, 6th man of the year again. Anthony Davis, defensive player. Terry Rozier, most improved. Larry Drew is the coach of the year. Wow. Alright, so here are your All-NBA teams. I'm going to go very slow. So you guys, Kevin Durant in All-NBA second team. And that is probably it. Alright, so we'll move on. We are the 6th seed. We did kind of collapse at the end of the season. Alright, we're going to check that our game plan is correct. Alright, there we go. We ready. We ready now. Give us 1. Give us 2. Give us 3. Give us 4. Let's go. We through. I think we are a very underrated team, as we are much better than a typical 6 seed, I think. Come on, give me another one. Come on. Send us in. There we go. Alright, so now we got the dreaded Rockets. Like, this is a very good team, as you guys know from what I've shown you before. Oh, come on. Okay, so they have 3-1. Oh, we are limited. Alright, so we're in the conference finals. It is time to make that last little jump. I'll catch you guys, or I'll update you if I didn't make any moves, but I probably won't. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next season. Alright, so year 3 is over. Giannis wins MVP. Rookie of the year is RJ Barrett. Josh Jackson wins 6th man of the year. Kawhi is defensive player. TJ McConnell is most improved. And John Smith is coach of the year. See, I didn't get to tell you, we did make a move in the offseason. Now I'm going to show you here in a minute. We got a mid-level exception kind of guy. I figured we would get at least somebody on the all NBA team. Alright, so we did make a move, and here's what we did. We got Marcus Hall on a mid-level exception deal for 4 years. Cheap. So that's always exciting. As you see, we are loaded right now. So hopefully we don't have any issues. Let's sweep them out. Get out the brooms. Let's get it. Here we go. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Oh. Come on. There we go. Alright, so this is a rematch. So this is a big deal. Rematch of last year. We need to get on top. Come on. Okay, we tied at 2s. Alright, we need this. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. We in the finals. That was close. Come on. Let's go! We got the first ring in Phoenix with the super team. So you guys know what's up. While you're here, like, subscribe, Kevin Durant is your Finals MVP. But like and subscribe while you're here. Leave a comment down below. Any new suggestions? I've enjoyed getting some more views on my last couple of videos, so keep it up. But don't forget, like and subscribe while you are here, if you've made it this far. And I'll see y'all hopefully tomorrow. Peace.